what 12 is trying to do is they're trying to assess this data to figure out, is there a relationship between packages arriving late and it occurring during the night shift? They're trying to see if there's a correlation. Because as a business, if that's happening, then the owner of this business needs to get in touch with the night shift to figure out what's happening that our packages are arriving late normally during your shift. Okay? If that's happening, if there's not a correlation and it seems to happen just as often during the day shift as the night shift, it would be a different type of problem they need to address. Thumbs up or thumbs down if you understand that. So they're going to use data instead of they just assume it's happening on the night shift and there's a reason. They're going to use data to prove this. So first of all, you need to know this. When we do the work, if we get the same answer, it means the two events are independent, which means there's no direct correlation between a package here arriving late and arriving late because it's on the night shift. Okay? That's if it's independent. There's no correlation. If the two percentages we come up with are different, that means there's dependent. That means there's a direct correlation. So the owner of this business needs to figure out what's happening on my night shift that we're getting more late packages. Okay? So how do we do this? If you don't use the right fractions to come up with the percentages I come up with, regardless of what you circle, you're not going to get this right. So we're going to go to the first one and circle the first concept. The concept is late. So look at the total number of late packages. There are 33 out of how many packages late? 33 out of 798. We'll figure out the percentage later. That's the first thing. Now go to the next thing. We want to see directly, is there a correlation with being late and being on the night shift? So circle night shift and circle night shift. How many late packages occur on the night shift? 15 out of a total of 339 packages delivered on the night shift. Okay, let's figure out the percentages. 33 divided by 798 is approximately 4.1%. 15 divided by 339 is approximately 4.4%. So although they are close, because these are not exactly the same, we can assume they are dependent, which means there is something that links a package coming late with the fact that it was delivered during the night shift.